Welcome to the class. This is the second model of the lesson about Blackout poetry. After poems have been created, there can be a feedback session where participants can be invited by the facilitator to share and comment the results with the rest of the group. Based on the purpose of the intervention, the facilitator can ask questions aimed to elicit the creative process. For example, why did you choose these words? What do they mean to you? Or comment about the result. What does the poem mean to them in relation with the topic of the meeting? And try to compare the results with those of the rest of the group. You can ask them, are there differences or similarities? Or did anyone choose similar words but giving a different meaning to them? The typical process for the creation of a blackout poem is the following. First, choose a text from any kind of different document. The text can be chosen by the facilitator, for example, using a text related with a topic of the group or the intervention. Or it can be chosen by the participants, who can be encouraged to choose one which is meaningful to them. Ask participants to go through the text without worrying about the meaning of the words or the narrative in the page. Encourage them to note those words that catch their attention and just underline or circle them. 5 to 10 words are more than enough. Now, the participants should be asked to try to put the words together in a meaningful sentence or a poetic composition. They can readjust it with a connective words or, if needed, change the order in which they are in the page. When they have decided which words to keep and defined a first draft of the poem, they can cover the rest of the text on the page by blacking it out. Finally, it's time for the art. The document can be left as it is, or it can be decorated. In order to perform the same activity online, there are 3 main options. First, you can use a dedicated app such as Blackout Board, available for Android as well as for iOS. The app can be very helpful as it facilitates the whole process and allows to get nicely designed outputs effortless. However, it should be noted that it is only available in English and requires quite advanced ICT skills. Congratulations, you have just finished this model.